Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Chris from Soundstore XL, and pardon me if I'm a little shook. Royalty has just entered my table. It's lying right here. It is the Beyerdynamic DT770 Pro headphones. I am 100% sure that since you are on this website, you know about the Beyerdynamic DT headsets. I'm 100% sure, because this is a legendary headphone. It comes in 3 different ohms, 32, 80 and 250. The 32 model is very typically for everyday use in smart devices. The 80 ohms is the one that goes right in the middle, and the 250 is typically the very professional studio headphone. It's a closed set of headphones, which is really good for example, tracking. And other than that, I think maybe the best thing about this headset is that if you do own one pair yourself, you can be 100% sure that every time you enter a studio somewhere else, they will most certainly have this pair of headphones, which makes it easy to jump into any studio and just put these on and know exactly what you're listening for. I can only recommend this headset enough. It is completely legendary.